Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I am Brian Fagan, and today we will be discussing why prenuptial agreements are one of the most effective ways to protect your assets before marriage. If you are getting married and want to preserve your financial security, a prenup is a valuable tool to consider. In Texas, prenuptial agreements or prenups are contracts that outline how couples' assets, debts, and other finances will be managed during the event of a divorce. Texas is a community property state, which means that property is typically divided 50-50. A prenuptial agreement allows couples to bypass the default laws and to create a financial arrangement that fits their unique needs. Let's consider a real-life example. Sarah, a business owner in Texas, started her marketing firm before meeting her fiance, Tom. As a primary source of income, she is concerned about what would happen to her business if they divorced. A prenuptial agreement could clarify that her business is her separate property, meaning that it would remain hers in the event of a divorce. Without a prenuptial agreement, Sarah's business might be subject to division, even though she started it before her marriage. Any increase in value or income made during the marriage could be considered community property, entitling Tom to a portion of that value. A well-drafted prenuptial agreement would state that her business and its appreciation are solely hers, safeguarding her hard work. Now let's explore a specific protection in a prenuptial agreement that it could offer. First, a prenuptial agreement clarifies which assets belong to each spouse. This is especially beneficial for those with significant property or investments before marriage. If you own real estate or family heirlooms, a prenuptial agreement can ensure those assets remain with you. A prenuptial agreement also protects against debt liability. Imagine you have significant student loan debt and your spouse later started a business that incurs additional debt. Without a prenuptial agreement, those debts could be split in a divorce, meaning you could be liable for part of your spouse's debts. A prenuptial agreement allows you to define how debts will be handled, ensuring that you do not have unexpected burdens by your spouse's financial choices. There's a common misconception that prenuptial agreements are only for the wealthy. In reality, anyone with assets or debts can benefit. Prenuptial agreements are also for those who want to start their marriage with clarity and financial security. Returning to Sarah's scenario, let's say Tom wants to ensure that Sarah isn't responsible for his student loan debt if they divorce. They decided to create a prenuptial agreement stating that Sarah's business would remain her separate property and each will retain responsibility for their own debt. When creating a prenuptial agreement, a few essential elements must be considered. In Texas, the agreement must be in writing, and both parties must fully disclose their assets and their liabilities. Full disclosure is a critical step because an agreement based on misleading information can also be challenged in court. Each spouse should have their own legal representation to ensure they fully understand the terms. An enforceable prenuptial agreement needs to be fair. If it heavily favors one spouse, a judge may refuse to enforce it. Sarah and Tom's prenuptial agreement was fair and transparent, acknowledging that both parties' rights and responsibilities. If you are considering a prenuptial agreement and have an open discussion with your partner about finances, goals, and concerns, addressing these issues before marriage can strengthen your relationship by fostering trust and transparency. If you are engaged and want to explore whether a prenuptial agreement is right for you, feel free to schedule a free 30-minute consultation with us. Our team can help you to understand your options and create a customized agreement that meets your needs. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information on family law and financial planning. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you to secure your financial future. Stay informed and take care. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.